Hello, thank you for joining me on my channel. Today I am going to do a really quick video on how to clean up the dials in your car. Now, in one of my videos, I've been taking out the wiring, stripping out the wiring from the Morris. The speedometer has seen better days. This is it. If I get close up, you can see how mucky that is. Around there, it really is in a bad way. And unfortunately I didn't have the channel when I did the ones on the MG, but the ones on the MG, the whole car had been painted when I bought it, and all the dials have been covered in overspray from lacquer, and the only thing I used to clean it was Autosol. So I'm going to try the same thing with the Morris. So what I'm going to do first is remove this chrome ring from the outside of it. Maybe I think actually we might start with this, so we'll put the speedo to one side for a moment. Right, so let's just put a little bit of that on there. I'm not totally sure it's going to do a great amount to it, but seeing as I'm on a budget, the whole thing is a budget build. We'll see what comes up. Right, well, I've done part of it. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but that's really shining. I'm going to go around to the other side, compare that to that. So I'll do a little bit more. Obviously a lot of this isn't going to be seen anyway, because this bit mostly sits behind the dashboard. It's this sort of outer section that would be seen. But since we're here, might as well clean it all up as best we can. Give it a quick buff. I think you'll agree that it's pretty darn good, considering what it was like when it started. There are a fair few bits of this was the top. Obviously that's seen better days, but when I put it back on I might make it the bottom, because this top part here looks a bit better. It's a shame it doesn't look quite as good, this front face to that, but like I said, that's all protected, that's all behind the dash, so there's that bit done. Now come on to this. I think I'm going to start with the chrome on the outside. I don't know if it's chrome or if it's just I imagine it probably is chrome. Now we'll try the front. Obviously Autosol's not exactly known for cleaning glass, but it actually worked quite well on the midget, I think, because it's quite abrasive. And like I said, the midget had overspray of lacquer, clear coat. I might just grab a screwdriver to get up in those corners. Okay, so what I've got here is a really small flat blade screwdriver. I'm just going to use it at as shallow an angle as I can possibly get, just to take off whatever is on the outer edge. I don't want to scorch the glass, but I do want to get all this rubbish off. Right, I think we're about there with that. Let's get a quick wipe round and then we'll go around with the Autosol, see if we can't take a bit more of that off. So top of it's definitely been harder hit with the corrosion, same as that ring. Top of this is definitely worse off, but that, I'll just give it a quick buff up. Wow. I knew this would work, but that is pretty good. So there you have it. That is how you clean up a speedometer, or you can do rev count or any other dial with Tube Autosol. And I'll put a link on Amazon in the description box below for where you can buy this. If you have any other products you think I should try, then put it in the comments below, and there's plenty of other things on this car that need cleaning. Thanks for watching.